Skulbah University of Science and Technology Meghalaya USTM kabadon hathem Ri Bhoi Pynkhreh ka Lympung ki Kynhun Nongtem na Dong Lam Mihngi ka banlong hakalai tarik Naiwieng ka lyngkhuh sngi kha jong kane ka skulbah ka jingthmu jong kane ka Lympung ka long ban kdup iki paidbah kane ka thain pneh jo ka jingiatylli jingiajan bat jingsngew shipara laong ka Khubor na kane ka skulbah kini ki Kynhun ki kdup ya Nongtem u Bah Lou Majaw bat Electric Garden Meghalaya Eternal Triangle Assam Techi Arunachal Pradesh Even Flow Mizoram Roll Heads Sikkim Rewben Mashangva Manipur Aseno Metha Nagaland bat ka Pillow Records Tripura kani ka Lympung la Pynkhreh penkrum da ka Mawjam Event Network ha ka jingalam jong u Bah Lou Majaw kani ka Lympung le kemen kan sedang ha ka por saw baje bat ka khot sngo bhaya baro ki rang ki thei bat ki paidbah I jingruai bat ki batrang ya ka jingsuk ha ka imlang salang
Set your soul on fire. Set your soul on fire. Come on, come on, come on. Set your soul.
Hello friends, welcome to a very, very, very special program to be held at the USTM for a music concert built as the One Northeast Music Festival. There'll be 8 bands from all the 8 states of Northeast.
We are Pillar Records and we are thrilled to say that we will be performing on 30th of this November. So get ready to rock.
Hey, what's up everyone? This is Nitya from the band Roll Hits Gangtok Sikkim, and we are coming to your place to be a part of One Northeast Music Festival, and I hope to have a good time with you all because we got a whole lot of rock and roll music for you.
Dear USTM community, we are the Eternal Triangle from Assam. We'll be performing at your university on the 30th of November. Join us for an unforgettable musical evening. See you all.
Hi USTM members, I am Aseno Metha and I'm thrilled to announce that I'll be performing live for the One Northeast Music Festival.
Changes, there's me feelings start to touch me, dreaming about you every day.
Winter is here, the best time to go to a concert, and that is why I'm here to tell you that I will be performing live at the One Northeast Music Festival. That is going to happen on 30th November. The venue is USTM campus. So get ready to rock the night together, and I'll be waiting to see you there.
Hello there, USTM community. This is Rewben Mashangva. I'm so excited to be performing for USTM community. Mark your calendar, 30th November. See you there.
So be there for a happy and rocking good time.